I think the most significant improvement that I see in the both of them is in terms of how confident they are on the stage. So this morning they were telling me how much of a stage fright they were having, and the presentation in the evening is actually a total change. And I see that the intonation and how they actually projected their voice very well as well during the presentation. So that's a great achievement. So thank you very much to Johan Speaking Academy. And I look forward to having more session with Johan himself. Thank you.
Thank you to Johan Speaking Academy. I think it's a great opportunity for the children to learn and gain the courage to speak up. They had a great fun today, and we look forward to further sessions.
Hi, I'm Rafida. These are my two daughters that I enrolled here for this session with Johan Speaking Academy. This is their first time going to such kind of an event, of a workshop. I was pleasantly surprised to see that they did pretty well for their first session, for their first workshop like this. I wasn't expecting that they could get some improvement, talk and be on the stage in front of audience for such a short period. I'm looking forward to perhaps send them for more courses like this with Johan in the future. So hopefully they can get more improvement and get better with more sessions. Thank you.
Thank you for giving the opportunities for us to joining this public speaking. I'm actually quite amazed with Zhen Yuan presentation today. So it builds his confidence level, and also he managed to speak up in front among all the audience. So I'm quite happy and proud of him for his performance today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for organizing these workshops, because Priscilla, I think, is stopped about 1 year already, right? Yeah. So she's doing well for today's performance. I feel very happy. Yeah. Thank you for organizing this event. Thank you.
Hi, I see a great improvement for Tek. This is the second time. I can see he's being more brave and courageous to speak in front of the public. So I hope to participate more Johan events, and I can see next time he really can stand in front and talk to, give a very courageous speech to everyone. Thank you, Johan. Yeah.